Hello and welcome to our channel of Ardent Educate Academy. Hope you all are well and safe at home. On this platform, we will upload videos on knowledgeable content. So today, we are discussing about articles awareness. No doubt articles are confusing. I agree with you on that because of so many rules with so many exceptions, and then of course, we tend to break rules without even knowing. So, let's clarify more about articles. Articles. What is an article? An article is a word that modifies or describes the noun. वो बताता है कि जो noun है जो वो sentence information provide कर रहा है वो specific है या general है, old है या new है, singular है या plural है. And articles are always mentioned before the noun. Now, let's study its implementations. Article an or the is used when the next word begins with the vowel sound that consists of a, E, I, O, U. An article a or the is used when the next word begins with the consonant sound that is other than the vowel sound, which are B, C, D, F, G, H, etc. Come on, let's go through few basic examples. What do you think the article will come before apple? Yes, an apple. Great. Before boat? Easy one. A boat. Truck? A truck. Umbrella? Yes, an umbrella. Now, it's a little tricky one. R. Whenever we speak R, we are using R. That means we are using the vowel sound A. So, an R will come, not a R. Why? Because a sound is coming for R. Same with honor, an honor. What about utensils? It's a tricky one. Think. Yes, it would be a utensil. Why? Because when I'm speaking utensils, I'm using consonant sound y before it. Uncle. Yes, an uncle. University. University. So, a university. Great. Last but not the least, MBA. Whenever we speak MBA, we speak like MBA, a MBA, like this way. So, it would be an MBA. Let's understand types of articles. Okay. There are two types of articles, definite and indefinite. Definite article means to be clear and obvious about something, and in this the is used. For example, I have a cat. The cat is black. I have already mentioned about the cat which I have, so I would be using the cat. Okay. Now indefinite means something which is not clear, obvious or exact, and in this we will use a or an article. Okay, for example, I need a phone. I'm not specifying which brand, which company phone I need. I'm just stating I need a phone. Okay, now to remember this in a simpler manner, I will simply suggest you to know that whenever there is specific information we will use the, and whenever there is general information we will use a or an. अच्छा, now tell me, इस केस में सेंटेंस क्या होगा? Sam saw a tiger in Gir National Park, or in this case, Sam saw a tigers in Gir National Park. What do you think? Which one is correct? Obviously, this one is correct and this is incorrect. Why so? Because article a or an means one or single. So, it's correct in the singular sentence and not in the plural one. Now, if we consider the article, in this case, the sentence can be Sam saw the tiger in Gir National Park, or in this case, Sam saw the tigers in Gir National Park. In this sentence, which one is correct? Yes, both sentences are correct. Why so? Because the it can be used in singular as well as in the plural sentences. Now, let's have a glance on this chart. Here, we would be discussing about specific and general information. I have already told you in the previous slide in spite of using definite or indefinite, we can use specific or general also. Okay. here we would be concerned about singular and plural nouns too. If it's singular countable noun in specific information, we would be using the article, and in case of the general information, we would be using a or an. Now, in the plural one, it can be countable as well as uncountable too, and in such we would be using the for the specific information, and there won't be any articles in the general. Are you aware about 3 corner rules of the articles? Come on, let's find out. 3 corner rules of articles. Now, how can we remember it? So, just think of it. When any guest comes, how we react is, firstly, we welcome them, then we greet them, and finally, we say goodbye to them. So, these are the 3 rules of articles, which are welcome rule, greeting rule, and last is goodbye rule. The very first corner rule is the welcome rule. When we introduce any noun for the first time, or if it is new, unknown to a listener, then we will welcome it by a or an. For example, yesterday I brought an umbrella and a raincoat. Here I am introducing you that what I have brought yesterday. So I would be using an umbrella and a raincoat. Now, what if when we have already introduced any noun, or it is not new, unknown to a listener, then we have to welcome it by the. Let's continue it in this same example only. The umbrella was surprisingly cheap, but the raincoat was quite expensive. Here now I am using the umbrella and the raincoat. Why? Because I have already mentioned it before. Now, another example. He has brought himself a new digital camera, but the camera has some defects. You understand it now? After welcoming, what we do is we greet. So, second corner rule is greeting rule. Suppose here are 3 guests. Guest 1 is Mr. Unique. Who is Mr. Unique? We know there is only one sun, Moon, President of India, CEO of Google. So we will greet them with a flower called the. Likewise, our second guest is ordinal numbers and superlatives. We would like to greet with the same kind of flower called the, like the first, the second, the third. And for the superlative degrees, we will also greet them with the. Why? Because only one can be tallest, fastest, and best. Now, time to greet our third guest, which is proper noun. It can also be called as exceptional too. Let's see how. For rivers, the Nile, the Amazon River. For mountain ranges, the Himalayas, the Rockies. For oceans, the Pacific Ocean, the Indian Ocean. And for group of islands or countries with plural, the Hawaiian Islands and the Netherlands. To remember this, here is a memory cloud called there is only one. Quickly jump to the last rule, that is goodbye rule. Remember that it means no article, or we can say that 0 article. There are many points from which the very first is general things. In this, the example is I love watching reality show. Did I mention which reality show? No. And obviously plural nouns a or an cannot be used. Next one is Pari likes to travel. Where? Nothing is mentioned, therefore no article. Likewise, other categories are name of a person like Priya, Gianna, Krisha, Harsh. No article before them. Now, the another category is countries, cities, towns, or other geographical locations. These are Australia, New York, New Zealand, whichever you like. Now, meals. Lunch, dinner, brunch. No articles before them. Games and languages. Games, badminton, hockey, cricket. No articles before it. And same with languages. French, Hindi, English. No articles. With possessive pronoun or adjective, which means when we are giving ownership to something or someone. Her book, their house. So no articles would be before these nouns. Now the last one is fixed expression, in which many options are there, from which few are mentioned here. At home, house, work, office, by car, train, road, plane, on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, etc. Well, let's hope now you are more aware about articles than before. It's time to test yourself. Here, you just have to fill blanks with suitable articles, and if there is no need of articles, put a null sign. Okay? Now, pause the video and resume once you are done to check your accuracy. Okay, there we go. Yes, already mentioned in previous slide that no article when meals are mentioned. The movie, yes, because talking about a particular movie. An engineer, why? Obviously because here, who is he? It is not specified. A big bear, new to the listener. Later, the big bear, already introduced. A book to Lisa, not mentioned which book. Then the book. Why? Because it's already mentioned before. The water of the Arctic Ocean, uncountable noun, water. Arctic Ocean is freezing and it is only one. Yes, money and happiness are uncountable plural noun. We cannot use article before name of a person. The one in the black dress, the CEO, all talking about particular one thing or person. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and yeah, if you want to practice more of articles, we have attached PDF link in the description below. So happy learning, and yeah, don't forget to follow, like, subscribe and support us to grow. Bye bye. Have a nice day.